I don't think there is nobody in Jamaica had suffered under lie, under wickedness like Gerald Vaz and the Prime Minister of Jamaica, you know. I don't think that nobody else, those two people, had suffered at the hand of wicked people, you know. Look what they had done to Mr. Vaz.
Yes.
And they're still at it.
Yep.
And I am telling you, I hear they talking about such man because I spoke to somebody before get on to you from America, and he said he cannot call certain man name. He have to say such man. Because if you go and do an interview and they say, give me your phone, and then find out that you say anything about such man, you are out.
Yes.
You understand? So he's saying to me, when he's talking to me, he cannot say so and say, he must say such man. You understand? But I am telling you, we have such man in Jamaica.
You heard it. You heard it. Did you realize what he said when he tried to investigate the allegations against Vaz? Yes, that were hearsay and emanated from the opposition. They were politically motivated.
Exactly.
He met with representatives of 14 intelligence agencies in America and in the U.S. Embassy, 14, and all of them came to the conclusion the allegations against Vaz were without substance, no evidence, politically motivated.
Exactly.
Then he also said that the Prime Minister asked him to review. Well, I read it to him. He said yes. Yes.
My God. Mr. Hughes, which let me know to think of something different. The Prime Minister had been sent to a forensic overseas people to investigate his earnings. They came back with no trace of wrongdoing. It has been sent to a different person. They said they had no trace of no wrongdoing. Right? And they still insist that the people them who them send it to not smart enough. They want to carry it go further. Mr. Hughes, as a person who's supposed to more intelligent than me, how far more can it go?
There is no further it can go without any substantive evidence. But the other thing that came out of that interview, Papa Nana, and I don't want you to lose sight of it. Do you realize that what Ambassador Tapia told me this morning confirms what we heard from former Prime Minister Golding?
Exactly.
Yes.
And some people say
he confirmed it. He's also worried and concerned about the second Trump presidency.
Exactly. And Mr. Hughes, I am telling you.
So those people who were saying to Bruce and condemning the former Prime Minister, you hear what the former U.S. ambassador said now?
Exactly.
And I'm talking to some people in the chat, the NNN YouTube chat now. Ricky, yeah? Talking to people like you.
That's what happened. I had to call out one from St. Elizabeth too, and your program. Would you believe me that somebody told me that the man who mashed up the car in Halfway Tree is a man from the third country that Mr. Holness Kerry come out here?
Yes, that I hear George and Tana this morning talking about the lies, the flood of lies that we are being subjected to, yeah, and they have no shame.
No shame.
None whatsoever.
No shame.
They just lie barefacedly and expect you to accept it. Yeah.
Exactly. And when them done, them talking about such man. We have such man out here who chain up a black man and say him have the key. So what is the difference between him and such man?
Yeah.
It is a total disgrace, Mr. Hughes. Well, I am going down. I am under the departure loan, Mr. Hughes, but I'm sorry for you who is going to left.
Yes.
I don't know what to say or do, Mr. Hughes, but it is very
all right, sir.
Dear God ever bless nationwide and Cliff Hughes.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Good. Hillret? Is it Hillret? He was.
And for him to speak out like this is very revealing.
Yep.
Yeah. So, all I want to say is keep up the good work. I am an ardent nationwide listener. Oh, and by the way, I'm in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, and the signal down here is not so good.
Yes, yes. We're aware of
Yeah,
it. We try
90.5,
90.
90.5.
Yes, we are aware of it, sir, and we're trying
Yeah.
our best to improve it. But listen on the internet, okay?
Right. You're going to hear more from him, Mr. Hughes, because I'm semi-retired now, and I'll be calling you, but I'm really, really, really impressed by your
Okay.
interview skills. Keep up the good work, and God continue to bless and guide you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right. The comments on the chat, yeah, fast and furious. You know me. I don't really like to sing my tune, but I appreciate the positive, tons of positive responses about that interview with Ambassador Tapia. On behalf of all my team here, including my producer, my technical operator, and my deputy executive editor, who put it all together, yeah, I have to share the love and the reactions and give them due credit, yes? But we appreciate it. This is what we do and do best, yes? Illuminating, adding perspectives, giving you different angles of a story, yeah? So that you can be provoked, you can think, you can be exposed to another view, another perspective, yeah? And hopefully you come to your own informed decision, yeah? That's what we try to do, all right? That's what we're going to do now. We have to find a better way to distribute the tickets, because the present system being used to distribute the tickets not working. Not working. Yeah? MPs get a fair bit of the tickets to distribute to their constituents. But then we're learning that many of those constituents turn up at the National Stadium and proceed to make a hustle, eat a food from the sale of the tickets. From the sale of the tickets. Not everybody. Not everybody. Yeah? Not everybody does it. But too many people are doing it. And people who want to really go in and to see Grand Gala, the Grand Gala show, yeah, are struggling. Struggling, prepared to pay for it. I don't know how the government is going to do it, because it's a question of demand and supply. Yeah? The number of tickets available are not nowhere near the demand for them. So when that happens, people are going to get capitalistic. Yeah? Me get a ticket, and I can sell it to Jermaine. I have a money. I ask him for 15,000 feet. Yeah? We can eat our food. Yeah, we can eat our food. Not true, King? Yeah? We're hustlers, we don't like to admit it, but Jamaicans are hustlers. A lot of us survive by hustling. Yeah? And if a man see an opportunity, what? He might use it. So I don't know when it's out. Anyway, on OPM today, the